So California is definitely a leader statewide in terms of protections for transgender people, in terms of laws that recognize transgender people and being able to live in the world and to be able to navigate things that might be particular to the transgender experience, like changing your legal name, changing other types of documentation, being able to have access to the medical care that you need and that's really necessary for you to be able to live as who you are. California has very advanced law around that and significant access for people who are transgender compared to many other states. California is really at the cutting edge on a lot of issues, and transgender issues is one of those areas. The LGBT community also luckily enjoys a lot of protections in California that do not exist in other states. There are many other states where LGBT people do not have basic non-discrimination protections at the state level, and there are not federal protections based on sexual orientation or gender identity at the federal level either. So there are people in other states who can experience discrimination and have no recourse whatsoever, barring certain particular circumstances that, might protect them depending on, what their job was or some other, situation that's specific to them. But there are many, many people in the United States who do not have what we have in California. And because of that, California gets to kind of look to the future and see what else can be done to take things further and make it so that people can live in California in a way that sets an example for the rest of the United States. Hopefully, at least that's the goal.